kids! It's reading time. Let's practice reading CVC words with Jolly Phonics Group 2. To start with, let's review the following sounds. Repeat after me. K, k, e, d. Let's have the k words. K, k, a, t, k, a, t. Cat, cat. K, a, k, a, car, car. K, a, k, a, can, can. K, a, p, k, a, p. Cap, cap. Let's proceed to letter K with K sound. Repeat after me. K, E, K, E, key. K, E, t, K, E, t. Kit, kit. K, E, d, K, E, d. Kid, kid. K, E, k, k, E, k. Kick, kick. Now, let's proceed to the letter E, which is E sound. E, k, egg, egg, egg. E, k, elk, elk, elk. E, elf, elf, elf. P, e, t, p, e, t. Pet, pet. P, e, p, pen, pen, pen. Let's have the h sound. H, h, at, at, hat, hat. E, n, hen, hen. E, t, it, hit, hit. E, p, ip, ip, hip, hip. O, p, Up, hop, hop, hop. Er, er, at, at, rat, rat. Ag, ag, rag, rag. Ed, ed, red, red. I, ip, ip, rip, rip. Ram, ram. Ah, on, run, run. Let's have the sound. App, 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 map, map. Man, man. Add, 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 mad, mad. A, man, man, man. It, it, mit, mit. D, d, mod, mod, mod. D sound. D, d, add, d, add, dad, dad. D, a, d, am, dam, dam. D, e, d, n, dan, dan. D, e, g, d, egg, d, egg, dig. D, e, n, d, in, d, in, din, din. D, og, d, og, d, og, dog, dog. D, a, k, d, a, k, duck, duck, duck. All right, kids, That ends our reading for today. Great job, everyone! It's time to say goodbye and see you on the next video. Goodbye!